Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Today my name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today I'm going to show you how to make an extra $1,000 doing missions, and you're going to be earning fast PayPal cash with your phone. And so this is going to be a great app for you to try, so let's get started right now. Alright guys, before I get started, I just want to let you know that over 70% of you guys do not subscribe to my channel who watches my videos. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any methods that I show you, okay? And don't forget, if you have received any value from this video, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. I really appreciate it. It really helps out the video. So thank you so much. So let's get on with this method. I really want to show you because you could really earn a good amount of money with Dayscout. So you could get to the site at dayscout.com. And what Dayscout is a phone app that you can earn on your phone by responding to companies that would ask you questions, and you could do it from wherever you are because they want real-time information. Okay, so in context insights, meaning that you're going to be either taking a picture of yourself or recording yourself very short about what they're asking you. I'm going to tell you more in a second, but they work for a lot of big companies, and this lady here, she uses Dayscout. So I use Dayscout when I want people to try something in the world and then really come back and reflect with us on it. So you're really providing them with information about how they can improve something new that they want to try in the world, and give your feedback on products or opinions about things that are around you. Meet more people without leaving the office. So there's brands and companies that could reach people like you with this mobile app. And that's why it's good to have this on your phone, because then you could capture any in-the-moment videos and make insights easy to synthesize and share. Diary. See moments that matter. Dayscout Diary shows you people's experiences in context and as they happen, using the one thing they have with them 24/7, their mobile phones. So this is a definite phone app that you want to sign up for so that you can do these little missions and you can earn really well. I'm going to show you how this one person made over $1,000 from this app already, and they didn't even start that long ago. Okay, so if you just click on Be a Scout, you get more information about the apps. So get rewarded for sharing your experience. Use your smartphone to share your unique perspective with industry-leading companies and get paid. So this is good for both Apple and Google type phones. What is Dayscout? Join thousands of scouts in using a smartphone to turn your opinions, ideas, and aha moments into catalysts for change and get rewarded. Answer questions. Show off your unique perspective by answering multiple choice and short answer questions to apply for and complete missions. Don't just tell, show. Share photos and videos from your mobile device to capture in-the-moment experiences wherever you go. This is how they want you to do this, so that you're in the moment, real time kind of thing, and then the companies get feedback from you immediately about what they're asking about. So these are questions that they want to find out very fast. So if they were using it like a traditional way, it would take maybe a little bit longer because they gotta go through like a long survey form, and all these surveys that are more traditional or like take like 15 to 20 minutes or even half hour to fill. This is not. These are very short little missions that you're going to do for these companies. Influence top brands. You're going to have direct impact on industry leading companies that matter to you, and you're going to get rewarded. They've already paid out over $7 million so far, and using PayPal that pays promptly. $7 million. Okay, and then what else do you need to know? No, nothing on this page. So let's go to the app, which is highly rated, guys. Okay, a 4.5 rated app. For this type of app, for making money app, it is a very good app. So yes, this is 13 and up for majority of the people around the world, but I think for Europe you need to be 16 and up. So just be careful of that. You just need to contact your parents and let them know that you're doing it. They don't have much description on the app stores, so it's just a short description. Turn your opinions, ideas, aha moments into catalysts for change and get rewarded. It's kind of like the same things. that I've just already talked about. So there's not too much, but there is this one review that I want to show you. So on the Google Play Store, this is also pretty good rated, but less people rating here. It's 3.8. But this guy right here, like recently, right? Earlier this month. Seriously, you need to download this. I made over $1,000 in a month. In a month. Okay. Wow. And it's really straightforward and simple. It's a lot better than a lot of the other platforms and interfaces I've come across. It doesn't ask for a lot of information up front, which is really great, because then if you decide to walk away, you don't have to worry about all sorts of privacy concerns. Support is also incredibly quick and helpful. They pay out really fast and through PayPal. So as you can see, a lot of people are rating this very high. They really like this app. So I would just check it out at least if you want to make money with the Dayscout. And again, it's worldwide, 13 and up. Most countries 13 and up. And of course, this one app is not going to make you rich or anything like that. But you know, for one app to earn over $1,000, that is pretty darn good. So if you earn that money, save that money so you can invest in yourself with a program like the one in my video description, okay? So doing missions like that, you are still trading time for money, and you're still probably limited to how much you can earn. I doubt you can earn $2,000 or $3,000 from that app a month, okay? So if you want something that is more earning, like that has way higher of earning potential, like in thousands of dollars, where you can earn a full-time online income, that's something you can depend on. You need to really learn some online skills and build yourself an online business. And the program in the video description, the first link, is going to show you how to do that. And you're even going to get a business advisor on the phone so that you can ask questions and everything, so that you won't get lost at all. Okay, so it is very advantageous to partner with a program like that so you can learn properly how to make some real online income for yourself and your family to enjoy. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.